What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we had a very good bounce from the range of about $18.31, and this bounce implies the next potential leg to the upside that might break the ranges of resistance that I marked previously, and it was the levels of the top of the B wave. It is at $20.21, and the most crucial point is right here, the previous swing high, and definitely with this breakout above this range, this asset shows its potential because it forms not only higher lows but also a higher highs. And I have to say that this movement is quite technical because if you pull a Fibonacci retracement tool from this swing low to swing high, as you can see right here, it reached exactly the 0.5 level, and this is the first level where algo trades started to add to its positions, and the price target for this movement to the upside is negative 0.236, and as you can see we had the precise movement to the upside, and this asset right after it hit its price target went lower. And I have to say that it is not the only setup that works. Yesterday I showed you on SoFi's price action that it had exactly the same price action. Swing low to swing high, 50% retracement as you can see right here, and it reached 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, but instead of the rollover right here, it went higher and had a rollover a bit higher. So, and let's continue with the Lucid again. I have to say that this setup is not the most probable one, because previously it didn't work. As you can see, if you pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this swing low to this swing high, and this is the range, we broke the 0.5, we broke the golden pocket range, and we found the support only when as you can see, when I connected these two levels, and we found the support as the third touch of this level. Definitely, everything is possible in trading and nothing is set in stone right here. That's why you have to be cautious, but we have very good probabilities of certain trades. So, what should we expect next from the technical standpoint? I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you that on official Lucid press release section we have two recent news. One of them was published on July the 20th and second one was published on July 21st. And let's start one by one. Lucid to report second quarter financial results on Wednesday, August the 3rd, 2022. And definitely this might be the crucial date for Lucid Motors, because we have to know an updates of their delivery rates. On top of that, we have to know their forecast for the rest of the year, because if they reduce their target from the level of above 12,000 vehicles, definitely it will be a bearish sign, because right now Lucid Motors won't be able to produce the number of vehicles that they wanted to produce. But if the forecast remains the same, and let me remind you that the forecast for the full year of 2022 is in between 12 to 14,000 vehicles. If the forecast will be the same, definitely it might be quite good sign, because in this case they are still on their way to reach this target, and this means all the financial targets will be reached as well. So let's continue with another news. On July 21st we have this press release, and it says Lucid announces key leadership to bolster operations and logistics experience ahead of global expansion. And let me quote you further details. Lucid Group today announced the appointments of Evelyn Chang, VP of Process Transformation, and Walter Ludwig, VP of Global Logistics. Together, they will bring a wealth of global expertise and decades of operational excellence from companies such as Mercedes, Tesla, and Saab, as Lucid prepares to expand its business worldwide. I am delighted to have Evelyn and Walter join the Lucid leadership team, said Peter Rawlinson, Lucid's CEO and CTO. Together, they bring decades of global expertise and operational excellence of the company. Reporting directly to Mr. Rawlinson, Ms. Chang will lead enterprise initiatives aligned to Lucid's strategic objectives, leveraging techniques and methodologies to analyze, harmonize, and improve business process across the organization. Also reporting to Mr. Rawlinson, Mr. Ludwig will provide strategic and operational leadership to actively develop and implement best practices in automotive logistics and parts management, focusing on supply capacity management, inbound and outbound logistics, launch and change management, material planning, material handling engineering, and data management. And definitely this news brings a lot of attention from the investor standpoint, because the more high-level executives the Lucid Motor has, the higher its probabilities to hit much higher financial targets. And let me show you another news, quite opposite. On July 22nd, we have this article on lucidinsiders.com, and it's titled VP of Program Management and Senior Director of Sales leave Lucid Motors. And let me quote you this. Yesterday, Lucid Motors updated the company leadership webpage and removed 2 profiles from the page. The profiles removed from the page were Ralph Jacobs, the Vice President of Program Management, and Doreen Allen, the Senior Director of Sales. It looks like Doreen Allen has just retired, according to her LinkedIn profile. She was with the company from March 2016 through last month, so for about 6.5 years. For the first 4 years, she was the Director of Sales at Lucid Motors, and for the past 2 years, she was the Senior Director of Sales. Ralph Jacobs was listed as the Vice President of the Program Management. He was hired by Lucid in November 2021, and Lucid Motors announced his hire in December 2021. His bio page is still currently live over here, despite his profile page being removed from the overall leadership page. The page reads, Ralph is responsible for operational launch management, cycle planning and program management to enable the next growth phase and subsequent programs launches. His LinkedIn profile does not show him moving to a new company yet. So, definitely it is quite opposite news from the previous one, but I have to say that it is just a nature of managing of quite a big company. Because let me show you in general, right here on their LinkedIn profile, you can see that Lucid Motors for now has about 4,064 employees that are marked on LinkedIn. And previously, about a month ago, it was only 3,600 employees. And they still have about from 1,300 to 1,400 job openings. And this means they are heavily hiring people. And this means Lucid Motors is still growing. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next from the price action? I have to say that this lower support range is still in play, and we can pull it a bit longer in order to see the potential range where it might bounce. But all in all, if I project this range to the upside and connect with these 2 tops, as you can see right here, we have some kind of channel. And this channel has the highest range of resistance at the very high points. And this means if we will bounce from the lower range of support, we have to reach the highest range of resistance. But first of all, definitely we should retest some lower targets, because in general we have to wait for the earnings report, and this earnings report will be a pivotal point for the company, because in the middle of 2022 they have to announce their plans for the rest of the year, and they have to make some forecasts about their deliveries and upcoming financial results. So that's why if you want to catch the trade as a swing trader, just wait for the confirmation, and the the lower this asset goes to this range of support, the more probability we will have to see the bounce to the upside. But if you want to invest in this asset, just do your own due diligence and accumulate your position on every daily red candle, because the ranges that are below $19 mark are very lucrative from the investor standpoint, and these ranges will give you a very good upside potential in a matter of next 12 to 18 months. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium